Hello, welcome to another Map Business Online video presentation. Today we're just going to focus on map and data. There's a lot of functionality in Map Business Online, but today I think the most important thing is to take a look at map and data. When map and data is closed, it's that little blue arrow right there over by Hawaii. Open it up and you've got these layers of data just listed here that you can turn off and on. So it lets you take the data that you've imported or data that might be a geographic layer, and you can turn these things off and on. There's a little toolbar up top here, and you've got the ability to quickly bring in other background map views if you wanted to. So there's ways for you to quickly just adjust your map view, but I typically leave mine at custom view. You can go into this little edit gear and access the various different ways to manage things on your map. So you could turn the legend off and on there. You can actually delete draw objects. So you can see I've got some draw objects right here. I can just go in and delete them. And you can actually go in and start looking at the individual map layers. So you could turn on your city limits from here and go in and adjust transparencies or not, make colors, different colors. So there's a variety of different things you can do to change the look and feel of your map there. You have territory options, which allow overlap. And you've got this zip code control here where you're able to go in and change which zip code data sources you're using. And that can impact whether or not you've got place names on the map. So if you're looking for cities and towns to be in your data when you export it, you might want to check that out. And then when we go back to the sort of overall view of map and data, you can see you can go over any particular layer with your mouse and hover over it, and it will let you edit. That edit gear shows up. You can go in and edit. Again, that's just another way to kind of get at information that you want to change: colors, transparencies, labels, a variety of different things that you might want to change about the way your map is viewed. Map and data is a very powerful tool. It lets you go in to the actual data that you've imported as well. You'll see that data gear, edit gear shows up right there. I click it and I can go in and I can adjust some of the labeling points or images that, I should say labels that show up when you import the data and show up on the actual map. So let me just be a little bit more clear on that. So if you hover over a point that I've imported, I get 5 flex fields. Well, there are controls right here to adjust those 5 flex fields, and you can go in and just pick different things from in your data to show on those flex fields. Then you can actually manipulate your callouts, change the way callouts look, whether they're large or small on the map, or open all the callouts if you want to, which of course we don't recommend, but some people want to do that. So there's a variety of different things you can do to work with map and data and to change things on a Map Business Online map to your benefit. It's a lot of tweaking to get the map exactly the way you need it. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. Thanks very much.